Hey, it's Gina from WTI, and if you're looking for the most comfortable travel pillow around, you need to check out this one from Proglobe. I used this on 4 different flights recently. What I like about this pillow compared to others is how tight you can get it around your neck. So I'm someone who does have a smaller head and a thinner neck, and other travel pillows are just too big and bulky for me to feel comfortable. But because this is a little bit on the smaller side for me, I was able to maneuver it and squish it into a spot and keep it tight enough where it didn't keep my head flopping around, and it was very comfortable and squishy. Not only did it work for me though, it worked for my husband who has a bigger head and neck than I do. And that's what's really nice about this is it is adjustable and it can accommodate many different sizes. Not only did I use it around my neck, but I also used it kind of just up against the window to lay my head on, or even on the armrest. It got a little tiring after a several hour flight. I love how small and compact it gets too, because space is always at a premium when you're traveling, so you can roll it up really easily. The memory foam squishes up into a little snail shape, and then you put it right into its little bag. And there's 2 types of material for the outside of the pillow. They're both kind of a jersey-like fabric. The gray material is a little bit closer to a cotton feel, and then the other side has a silkier feel to it. It's just really comfortable and feels good against your skin. Make your next flight very comfortable with this travel pillow, and that's my point of view.